Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Sela Juitasari. My student number is 2001051051035. I am a 4th semester student majoring in English Education, Metro State Islamic Institute of Religion. This video aims to fulfill the midterm test for the academic speaking course guided by my lecturer, Miss Ning Setiawati MPD. Okay, here I will explain about how to make or give a good presentation. There are 3 parts to making a good presentation. The first is introduction, and the second, body, and the last is conclusion. At the first part is introduction. There are 4 topics in the introduction. Number 1 is welcome your audience. You can greet the audience like this. If it is Islamic, you can say Assalamualaikum, ladies and gentlemen. If for universal, you can say good morning, ladies and gentlemen. For formal, or good morning guys for informal. Number 2 is introduction, your subject. For the example, I am going to talk today about blah blah blah, or this purpose of my presentation is to introduce our new range of blah blah blah. Okay, next, the third topics in introduction is outlining your structure. You can describe the structure of your presentation to the audience like this. Firstly, I will explain my material about blah blah blah, and thirdly, until the last point. And the fourth topics is giving instructions about questions for the example. Do feel free to interrupt me if you have any questions, or I will try to answer all of your questions after the presentation. Like this, I plan to keep some time for questions after the presentation. Okay, next, the second part of to make or give a good presentation is body. You can explain your material one by one until the audience can understand your material clearly, very clearly. The body is the real presentation. If the introduction was well prepared and delivered, you will now be in control. You will be relaxed and confident. Remember these key points while delivering the body of your presentations. The first is do not hurry, and the next, be enthusiastic, and the third, give time on visuals. The fourth is maintain eyes contact, and the next, modulate your voice, and the next is look friendly, and others. Okay, the last part of to give a good presentation is conclusions. There are 4 topics in conclusion. The first is summing up. You must provide a summary of the material you convey to the audience. Like this, in conclusion, blah blah blah, or you can say, so let me summarize what I have said. Or you can say, finally, may I remind you of some of the main points we have considered. The second topic is giving recommendations. For the example, in conclusions, my recommendations are blah blah blah, or I therefore suggest the following strategy. And the next, the third topic is thanking your audience. You have to thank the audience. You can say, thanks for your attention and participation, or you can say, may I thank you all for being such an attentive audience. And the last topics is inviting questions. You can invite the audience to ask questions. For the example, now I will try to answer any questions you may have. Or you can say, do you have any questions? Or like this, can I answer any questions, please? So, from some of my explanations today, it can be concluded that there are three parts of making or giving a good presentation. The first is introduction, the second is body, and the third is conclusions. That's all I can say. Sorry if there is my delivery that is not good. Thank you for your attention and participations. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.